Plumbers don't want you to know that. After watching this video, you'll never have to call the plumber again to solve a clogged sink. I'm going to show you how simple it is to solve this very common problem that has probably already happened to you. And all of this using two main elements to start with in a container. We're going to break an egg and then remove the yolk, as we're only going to use the egg white. Once that's done, we'll also add 5 tablespoons of detergent, which you can use whichever you prefer. This chemical mixture is very important. You'll understand why later. After adding the detergent, we'll mix it very well. I'm sure this tip will solve many people's problems. Everyone has probably experienced a clogged sink, especially when washing the dishes. Before pouring in the mixture, you need to remove some of the water so that our mixture is more powerful and effective. This mixture will help to remove any obstacles clogging the drain. Now we're also going to use the baking soda, which of course can't be missing, and there's no set amount. Let's add about the equivalent of 2 tablespoons. Once that's done, we'll also add vinegar. The one I'm using is alcohol vinegar, but you can use whatever you have at home. The result is the same, and I'm going to add the equivalent of 100 milliliters of vinegar, approximately half a glass. Finally, I'll add a liter of boiling water. This will cause an effervescent reaction and unclog our sink. If you have cling film, you can cover the whole of your sink, so it will act much more quickly. But if you don't, like me, there's no problem, as it will only work in the same way. A little slower. The hot steam, together with all the ingredients, will act by getting everything out of the way and cleaning the pipes. After pouring, the water is left to act, and you'll slowly notice the water going down. Look how wonderful it is. Look how the water is already going down, cleaning and unclogging the sink. And look, unclogging is really simple and easy. You don't need to call a plumber. You can solve it yourself quickly and, above all, without spending anything. I certainly saved a lot of time and money. I simply loved the result. Now, if you experience this at home, you'll know exactly what to do. That was today's tip. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.